Welcome students. Today we'll move further to the new topic of this chapter, and today we'll see the factors for SEO. Basically there are two factors. Okay, so we'll just see these two factors in detail. Chapter number 2, search engine optimization. This chapter we are about to finish, inshallah, in 1 or 2 chapters. One or two lectures we are going to complete this chapter. Okay, so after that we'll just have a revision as well. So let's first start with the other subtopic of our chapter, search engine optimization. What are the other factors for SEO which we have to make a note when we want to have a search engine optimization? Getting it? So in this, the first factor which we have to see in detail, that is the speed of the website. Now speed matters a lot, students, as you all know that whenever we are just trying to access any website, and if that website is delayed in processing, we get very irritated. Why? Because speed is not there. That website is processing very slowly. So we get very, impatient that why this website is not processing so fast. Is there any net problem? Where is there any, we can say, the processing problem or whatever? So here we have to look into this, that speed of the website should be compatible with your, we can say, the patient as well. So here when a programmer creates a website, his attention and focus is basically on which thing, students? Basically on design. As you are doing HTML program as well, students, whenever you are creating many HTML documents, so what you see, that it should be very attractive. Okay, it should have more number of, you can say, the images or text, or we can say the interactive things which just attract the user, which should have the attention of the user. So basically we focus, or the programmer focus basically on the design and then the content. Okay, and very important thing again, what? Images and visuals. Images and visuals. Okay, or videos or whatever. So students, so speed of the website, because of these few things, okay, design, content, images and visuals, because of these few things, the speed becomes slow for that particular website, because the website is loaded with n number of things. Okay, the programmer, what its main intent is to attract the visitor. Okay, so to attract the visitor, what is visitor first go for the design, that how it is it attractive or not? Because if it's a basic human instinct, student, that we basically go for the designs. Okay, if the thing is attractive or not. And then if it's educational website, basically we need the content. The content should be very good. Okay, so whenever a programmer creates any website, so his focus on his attention is basically on design, content, images and visuals. And these factors, okay, it is, we can say, it is the obstruction in the speed of the website. So it is very important, students, to keep a track of the speed of the website. Okay, because it slow down the speed of the processing of a website. If these things are there, okay, on focus, okay, the important focus, and it should be there, but we have to keep track that it should not slow down the speed of the website. Speed of the website means what, student? The processing of the website. Okay, how much time the website takes to process itself. Okay, this is a very important factor. So it's very much necessary and important factor to keep the track of the speed of the website, as it may obstruct usability and decrease the search ranking of a website. Because if the website is not processing, okay, in a speed, so user may get impatient and he may direct or navigate to some other website. Okay, so it's very important, student, that you have to look for the speed of the website. You have to look for the design, content, images and visuals, that too. But make sure that whatever website you are creating, okay, it should not be so much overloaded that is decreasing the speed of your processing of the website. Okay, as it may obstruct the usability and decrease the search ranking of a website. And this is a very important thing in SEO, that website should be processed as soon as you are opening in this. See, if I am just opening any website, this is okay. If I am having the example, our website. This is the website. Okay, so just look this. As I had given the URL, it has opened as in a very less time. Now, right now the website is not working because it's not using now in the current period. It's basically operating during the time of exam. So you have to see that it should not be taking a amount or more amount of time to speed up. Okay, as it may obstruct the usability and decrease the search ranking of our website. Okay, so hope you have understood this, that you have to consider speed of the website as well, because this is a very important factor for SEO. Now the second thing is what, students? Second thing is you have to see, again very important, mobile friendly. Mobile friendly, students. Now this is a very, you can say, the important feature, I can say, factor as well as feature of any web browser. Because whenever nowadays people are used to with their smartphones, they just want everything to be on their phone. And that the phone is handy and you can take it wherever you want along with you. Okay, so mobile friendly websites are very much important. Mobile friendly is what a website mobile friendliness has become a ranking factor for Google. Okay, because the website which any programmer or you are creating, if it is not mobile friendly, then it may decrease the search ranking. Okay, students. Hence, it is very important to ensure that the created website is mobile friendly for maximum exposure and to improve the website ranking. Okay, students. Now, what is mobile friendly? A mobile friendly website is essentially when your regular website shrinks down to the small enough to display on a mobile device. It looks like a tiny version of your website. There's a lot of zooming, pinching and scrolling going on for the site displays and functions. Okay, students, so mobile friendly, first we'll just see the example definition, then we'll just have example. What is a mobile friendly, students? It's like your regular website. Okay, regular website which shrinks down to a small enough to display on a mobile device. I'll show you the example as the students. so that you can understand it in a better way. Nowadays, many websites or it's coming in such a way that you can open it on your laptop also, on your computer, on your mobile, or your tablet, anything. So according to the space, according to the area of the particular device, it shrinks itself so that it can function in a way as it has been created. Okay, students, so it should not display like something is going there, something is going at other place, because if you have created a thing which is standard, so it should look regular standard content on your website. Okay, it should not be like that if you have opened it on a mobile, so it's displaying contents here and there. So it creates a very much ambiguity to the visitor, to the user. So it's necessary that you have to see that the website whichever you are creating, it should be mobile friendly, because there is a lot of zooming, pinching and scrolling going on. Okay, but though these things are going on, the website should function properly. Okay, now a mobile friendly website should be sized and coded for easy interaction on a mobile device. So you have to note down this point. A mobile friendly website should be sized and coded for easy interaction on a mobile device. Okay, students, so like we are using our Google Chrome is very much, you can say, the usable web browser. These users mostly go for the Google Chrome, as it is a modern web browser, we can say, and it has so many new features, okay, which makes interaction very easy to the visitor or to the user. So it has one important function also in the web browser. You just have a look of this. I'm opening Google Chrome. Let's see here, students. Now this is my Google Chrome, student. This is a web browser. Okay, now there is one feature in this Google Chrome that whatever website you have created, is it user friendly or not? So you can check on this also. Like for example, I have opened this Google Chrome. Now just see, I'm just right clicking anywhere. You can just right click anywhere. Okay, and here you have one option, inspect. Look here, this option, inspect. Click here. As you click here, student, here is the element. Okay, look. Just see this. That means your browser is user friendly. So whichever website you are creating, okay, it will display you in a mode of mobile device also, because according to this size, it has been coded. Okay, so interaction becomes easy for your website. Just see, toggle device toolbar. The short form is Ctrl+Shift+M. So on Google, students, just see once again, I'm showing it. Click anywhere, right click on your Google Chrome web browser, and here one option is there, inspect. If you click here, students, just see, this is the option, toggle device. Got it? Okay, if I'm clicking here, look, in mobile you will have all the things in such a way that it is visible to the user and it is interactive. Okay, so I'll just show you the example also, mobile friendly example, which is the correct way. images you can understand. Just see here, student, this one. This is the wrong way. Look, two images are there of one website. Now here just see. If I'm opening in this, which is not user friendly, then it will look like this, and it's not a proper way. Okay, and if it's user friendly, it will be displayed in a way that it is interactive. Everything is in a proper way. Okay, students, so you have to see whether your browser you are using for SEO, okay, is it mobile friendly for your website or not. If it is not user friendly, students, again it will decrease the search ranking. Okay, students, so you have to be very particular with this thing also. You have to consider this factor, that whether your website is, whatever you have created, is mobile friendly or not, and user friendly. Okay, students, so you have to keep this thing in mind as well. So you've understood this also. Okay, so you have to see two important factors, students, very important. What are those, students, of your SEO? That you have to first look for the speed of the website. The speed of the website is slow, then again it will obstruct or it will create a hurdle in your search ranking. And second thing is what? If the website is not mobile friendly, again it will decrease the search ranking. So I had shown you that how to find out that whether your website is mobile friendly or not. And in Google Chrome there is a very good option, good feature, that you click anywhere on the page and right click and then just click on inspect. There is an icon on the left of the elements called the toggle device toolbar, okay, which changes the page to mobile mode when clicked, okay, and back to your regular mode whenever it is unclicked. Okay, students, so hope you've understood the factor of the SEO which you have to consider. Okay, the next thing is what, students? So this we are going to see in the next lecture, students. Creating robots.txt. Again, this is a very important topic of your SEO. So inshallah we'll see this in our next lecture. So till then, just stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you.